Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a very special vehicle, a real die-cast vehicle, and that is the Pass and Go. This is based on the Monopoly game. That's one of them. You know, such a vehicle, it looks like a classic roadster to me. As a game figure from the Hot Wheels Drop Top Series number 1 of 5 from 2026. A completely new vehicle and a kind of board game series from Hot Wheels. And that's where you start right here with the classic Monopoly. We see 90 years of Monopoly here. The game was first released in 1933. This means that the game has been around for approximate 90 years now on the market. And here we have a very, very cool execution. This Monopoly game piece, I'm pretty sure we won't get any more characters from Monopoly. There was still such a dog, I think. I don't even know what else there was, but this car, I can remember. When I used to play Monopoly, I definitely always took this car. That was always my favorite character because I just love cars. That's why I always took the car. Here, Pass and Go. I always have to think of Monopoly as an Ace Ventura, especially about this Pass and Go. Don't go over and don't draw $4,000 or something like that, he says in the movie. I always liked it very much, and so I thought to myself, come on, I'll show it to you. It looks so cool, so iconic, even with such a small steering wheel and this small, yes, metal mold here of this vehicle. It's really very well done, it has to be said. Even from the bottom it is metal and not plastic. That's really cool, a really cool little engine. Only the wheels are made of plastic. I would say that they are not made of metal. But looks very cool. In any case, a good model definitely belongs in every good collection. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, and until the next video, bye.